So I'm going to do an end cap, and I got the end cap already painted on the back, as you can see, black. So when you see through the middle, the window, it's going to look nice. I got the stud pre-cut, just going to set it in there. I've got a piece of drywall on the back end, so that way I have my spacing correct. And I'm just going to slide it in there like that.
Oh, we need more wire. More to connector?
I'm going to put a clap on the middle. And then I'm going to slide another piece of board. In between here. That way I have the spacing right. Then what I'll do is I'll flip it over. Now that I know that it's nice and tight, I'm going to put a screw into it.
Huh? We don't need to argue, we know what it is. This time then you get confused because we've got power right
on my side.
We've got power right next to it.
Power's all the way over here.
Right there waiting for you.
On my way.
See me?
You were in the cabinet, man.
Okay. So that's screwed off. It's ready to be installed onto the frame. I already got the double sticky tape on it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go around the back side and install the end cap from the other side, because that's where my mark is and that's where the drywall has been pre-hung. So for me, that's the easiest way to do it. But before I do that, I'm going to peel the paper off of the double sticky window molding tape. That tape right there is critical to keeping the thing from moving around, the end cap from moving around. So you got to have double sticky, because you can't screw into the molding. I've seen people do it. I've never done it. So that's the proper way that the professionals do it. Okay, so that looks good right there. Once you push it in, that's it. It's going to stay. So that looks good right there. That's going to stay. You want to make sure that everything lines up perfect, because you don't want your drywall to curl out. Because this edge right here is actually made and designed to finish drywall on. It's like a piece of corner bead. Now the back side here, when you look into the window, you're going to see that black paint. It looks really nice. It's just a shiny piece of metal. It kind of looks part of the molding itself.